Hi, so my name is Crystal Leonor Lamoste. I am 37 years old, single, no kids. Um, I have an experience as a domestic helper here in Hong Kong. I am currently working here now in Chimchachoy, TSP. For almost 7 months. I will be 7 months this coming June 4, 2025. Um, Skills, so I think gardening because I have a background in agriculture, so farming. Um, basically, I specialize in the harvesting, something like that. So gardening, some, and also taking care of kids because um, I have experience in Manila and also here in abroad for 7 months, and also before, even I am not working as a helper. I already have experience taking care of kids because almost all of my cousins, my auntie and uncle, children, so um, they grew up with me. I sometimes took care of take care of them, took care of them before, and prefer if ever um taking care of kids. But, yes, and also it's okay also elderly care. Pet I think no because not don't have background. I include elderly care because um, for sometimes in the Philippines, I take care of my grandma because we grew up together, just both of us. So sometimes she got cough or something or have pain, something. So I consider, yes, take so preferred taking care of kids and also elderly care. But I have don't have a background in pets and coworkers. So if ever I prefer no coworkers. I like to work alone in a household, but if ever I can find other, I also consider it's okay. It's okay. And what else? So yes, I think thank you. Bye.